Amanita Crocea. This lovely mushroom is distinguished by a thick, white volva, faint zigzag white and orange stem markings, and if not always, then at least generally an absence of veil remnants adhering to the cap, although sometimes one or two large fragments are found stuck to the central part of the completely open lid during a long period of dry weather. This species is found across much of mainland Europe and many parts of North America, where it is an uncommon find and is sometimes referred to as the saffron ringless Amanita. Orange grisette rarely occurs in groups of more than 4 or 5 fruit bodies at a time, but in southern Europe there are reports of large groups of the orange grisette appearing in mossy woodland glades. The cap is 5 to 10 centimeters in diameter, yellow-orange in various shades, with an apricot tint in the center. The caps are initially ovoid, smooth, but as the stem lengthens, pushing the cap out of the volva, the cap expands and becomes convex or even flat, but usually with a small raised central part, darker than the rest of the cap. In very old individuals, the cap's margin sometimes curls over the margin, which becomes noticeably striped with comb-like radial ridges corresponding to the position of the gills under the cap. The gills of Amanita Crocea are creamy, crowded, free, and sometimes adherent. There are often several short gills of different lengths, unevenly spaced. The stems of orange grisette are 10 to 15 centimeters long and 1 to 1.5 centimeters in diameter, tapering towards the tip. The color is pale to dark orange with a white zigzag pattern of soft scales. Like other grisette species, there is no ring on the stem, but there is a large white sac-like volva at the base of the stem, which is sometimes buried below ground level or in the leaf litter. Odor and taste is sweet smelling and with a mildly nutty sweet taste. Mica hazel with hardwood trees, particularly birch and beech, often in mossy woodland clearings, sometimes also found with larches, pines and spruces. Amanita Crocea is listed as an edible mushroom, but many field guides warn against collecting Amanita Crocea because of the possibility of confusion with deadly poisonous Amanita species.